What's up, everybody? I'm back with day 3 of the Wilcoxon Challenge, and I'm on solo number 3. For those of you that didn't see the first and second video, I'm challenging myself to play every solo out of Charlie Wilcoxon's book, The All-American Drummer. It's got 150 solos. They're short to medium length. They're about 5 lines up to a page or two. And I'm trying to play one every day for 150 days in a row and play all the solos consecutively. Today I'm going to do the same thing as I did in the other videos. I'm going to play it off the right, I'm going to play it match grip, then I'm going to play it off the left, and then I'm going to play it up tempo at a tempo that makes me a little bit uncomfortable. I'm going to tell you all the tempos beforehand. I'm going to try to just do them all in a row with no editing, no cuts, just to kind of knock it out real quick and keep this a little more informal where I don't have to do a lot of editing and try to make everything perfect, because that's not what this is about. This is kind of pseudo sight reading for me. I've played it a few times. But for the most part, I'm just kind of trying to get myself playing every single day. First tempo is 96. I'm going to play it traditional grip, off the right hand, just stock solo. And I have the metronome in my ear, for those of you asking, so I'll try to keep it accurate, keep me honest. I just don't want to kind of drown out the pad or anything with the metronome sound. So here we go. Okay, that's the first one. So now I'm going to lower my pad a little bit because I'm going to switch to match grip. Hope you guys can still see this. Okay, I won't go any lower than that. Hope you guys can still see that. Next tempo is 104. I generally try to go up 8 clicks at a time, just because it's enough to notice a good bit of difference, but not usually enough to where, unless you're like right at your breaking point, 8 clicks isn't gonna make it like wildly uncomfortable. So match grip, pad's a little high, but that's okay. 104, match grip, solo number 3. Here we go. Ooh. Okay, left hand let me down a little bit there, but I didn't warm up. I just kind of walked in and started playing these, so no big deal. All right, we're going to raise that back up. Very important to find the right height for your pad to get the ergonomics right and just to facilitate good technique. All right, next tempo is 112. A little bit faster. I'm going to try to do it off the left this time. Here we go. Ah! All right, got to the very end. Here we go. Take two. Hold on. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, that was a little better. Off to the left, that's tough. I'm like looking at all the stickings here and it's confusing me. All right, let's do, so just for the sake of making it a little more fun, I'm gonna jump up to 128, so 16 clicks instead of just 8. All right, here we go. Ah! Stupid random cues. All right, here we go. Again. Actually, hold on. Ah. All right. Here we go. Shake it out. Pad's like running away over it. It's like slowly. All right. That was fun. I feel like I might be able to do one faster. Yeah, let's try it. Okay, let's try. $136. All right. That's quick. Let's try that one passage. All right, here we go. Let's try it. Gotta push yourself. All right, that was fun. 136. That's my top tempo for today. All right, not bad. So that's day 3 of the Wilcoxon Challenge. I'll be back again tomorrow with day 4. For those of you that don't have the book, I'm going to try to put the link in the description, and I'm going to try to link the first 2 videos so you can go through and play along with 1 or 2 if you want to check those out. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. See ya.